Student, now I'm going to start that question number 5, exercise 2.1 class 9 advancements. In question number 5, test if correct or incorrect, which means we have to check whether A, B, C, the questions given here, are correct or incorrect. So these questions are given here, and we are going to solve it one by one. So initially, start with the 5A first. Let's have a look how to solve this one. Student, this is the question of 5A. LHS is P, implication Q, and RHS is negation P, implication negation Q. We'll have to solve it out like the 4AB we did in the video. Now I have made two table here for LHS and RHS. Now we'll go for solving one by one. And value of P and Q or statement of PQ will be same. So here, TTFF, TTFF, and there is TF and TF. Now look after that. For the amplification, I will definitely use the rule of amplification only given in the book. So here, true for the amplification is true obviously. Then true false for the amplification is false. Now again, false true for the amplification is true, false false for the amplification is true. This is the P amplification Q. Now look student, here negation of P, negation of Q, and between this we have to find the amplification. So before that, statement of PQ will be same here. So we'll write T, T, F, F, and there is TF and TF. Negation of P means not P. So not true means false. Not true means false. Not false means true. Not false means true. Negation of Q means not. Not Q means we'll take this value only. Not true means false. Not false means true. Not true means false. Not false means true. Now we'll find the amplification between negation P, implication negation Q. Definitely we'll follow the rules of amplification or formula of amplification given in the book. So false false in amplification, false false is true. First one, false false is true. Now false true is also true in amplification. False and true is true in amplification. True false is false. True false is false in amplification, and true is true in amplification. Now look student, does P implication Q TFTT is matches with implication P, negation P implication negation Q TTFT, no, not matches. So we'll write here, since P implication Q not equal to negation P implication negation Q, therefore we'll write that P implication Q equal negation P implication negation Q is not correct, or we can say that directly incorrect. This is how we have solved that 5A, LHS and RHS. Now we are going to solve that 5B. Student, next question is 5B. This also we have to check whether it is correct or incorrect. Now the LHS is negation of P implication Q. Negation of P implication Q is given in LHS. So we'll write down the value of P only. P is true, false, TTFF, and there is TF, then TF. We'll follow the amplification rule obviously. So true is true, then true false is false, false true is true in amplification, and false false is true in amplification. Negation of this value, which means not true means false, not false means true, not true means false, not true means false. So LHS is over now. Here now next one is RHS. Here it is given that P implication negation of Q. So value of P will be here again, same, that TTFF, TTFF, and there is TF, then TF. Negation of Q means not Q. Not Q means not true means false, not false means true, not true means false, not false means true. We'll follow the amplification now. P, which means this row and negation of Q. I repeat again, this row P and negation of Q. So true, false. True false means false in amplification. Then true is true in amplification. False is true in amplification. False is true in implication, and then false true is true in implication. Now look student, does it match with the previous one, which means negation P implication Q, false to false, and there is FTTT, which means we'll write here that since negation of P implication Q not equal to P amplification negation of Q. So we'll write that here. Therefore, negation of P amplification Q equal to P amplification negation Q is not correct. Is not correct. 5B is over. This sum is very easy actually. Student, the question number 5C, I am giving you the homework. Like 5A and B, and question number 4, 3, and question number 1 also, the way I did making the tables, and depending on the truth tables of conjunction, disjunction, amplification, and biconditional, and we can solve other problems also, and you will solve by watching the video, that 5C. So here we are ending our chapter exercise 2.1.